my phone was getting very, very hot indoors with AC when I was in the apartment I was staying in. So I did the dumb thing. I'm like, you know what? I don't even care. I put it in the fridge.
Oh, you moron.
Yep. It's like, I've never heard of condensation. And I put it in the fridge. But long story short, iPhone was stopped. It was getting real hot. I put the nail in the coffin by putting it in the fridge. I took it out like after like 5 minutes, and it was just like, yeah, like you're an idiot. Fast forward, I have 3 Android phones. I'm also team Android right now.
Hell yeah, dude. Android's the way to go, baby.
So yeah, I have. Why do I have 3 Android phones? I can get into it if you want me to.